everybody. Welcome to another episode of Robin's Nest Homeschooling. Today, we're going to learn how to use a sewing machine. We love homeschool. We love homeschool. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Please come and join us. Please come and join us. You'll love it too. You'll love it too.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take this old sewing machine. This is called a presser foot. You press on it and it makes the machine go. Okay, but you have to plug it in. So the presser foot, of course, goes with your foot. And then you have to have electricity to make an electric sewing machine go. So we're going to take this, set it aside, it's the bottom. And take the plug, and the plug goes right in here. Right, and then one side has the presser foot on it that's on the ground. And the other side gets plugged into an outlet. So I'm going to put it over here so we don't fall on it. Okay, so this is a sewing machine. When we actually sew cloth, we're going to put thread up here. And then down here is the bottom thread. It's called the bobbin. Okay, so the bobbin is underneath here. So you have to take this off and then you put the bobbin inside here. And I'll show you how to do that when we need to change it. But for today, we're just going to be careful about this needle. Do you see the needle right here, girls?
Yeah.
Come around and look if you need to. See what the needle is? It goes up and down.
Wow.
And it's going to pull the thread and make it sew the material together. Okay. And then this button over here, this one over here is called the reverse.
There's lots of buttons on it.
Yeah, there are lots of buttons on it. So there are buttons that make the stitches long and wide. And then this is the reverse. I use the reverse when I want to knot it. When I want the thread to stay, I use the reverse button. Okay?
Oh.
Today we're just going to sew forward. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to find the light switch right here. See how that helps?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
The light switch.
That sewing machine has that too.
Does it? Okay. And I sew with my right foot because I'm right-handed.
Oh.
So today what we're going to do is when you sew, you put down the presser foot. See this lever right here?
Put it down.
You put it down. And then you want to line it up so you can do a straight line, and you're going to practice doing a straight line today. See how I'm following the line on the paper? And then when I get to the end of what I'm sewing, I push down the reverse button and see how it goes backwards and forward? That makes the thread get knotted.
Ooh,
And
there's
then
a bunch of tiny holes inside.
yeah, then you push up the presser foot and see how I made a straight line? It's hard to see. Come over here and look. See how I made a straight line? That's because I've had lots and lots of practice.
Wow.
Okay. Do you see, Kimberly?
That's really straight.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay. So I'm going to let Karlynn go first. So what are you going to do first?
First, I'm going to lower the lever.
Presser foot. It's called a pressure foot. And it makes pressure on the face. You're good at this. All right. What are you supposed to do? Okay, so we're going to start by lining this up on a line right there. Okay, what do you put down? Can you reach through and put down the presser foot? That's a girl. Good. There you go. Okay, and sometimes I have to straighten it out. Okay, you're going to put your hands like this and keep your thumbs out of the way. And then you're going to press that and try and go in a straight line. Right. So you're going to guide the paper in a straight line. Go. Look at you. Look at you so. Okay, so that was a little, all right, stop. Good. Okay, so put the presser foot up. Good. And then the needle's stuck, so what do?
Put the needle up.
So turn it. See, there you go. Look at that. Okay. And then let's look. Kind of got off there. Do you see how we started on the line? Oh, no, you didn't. Look. Oh, that is really good. Okay, let's try another one. Go for it, girl. Okay, what do?
Line it up.
You do line it up and put down, yeah, put down the pressure foot. Good. All right. Keep your thumbs out of the way. Yep. Good. All right. Look at you. So you can use your fingers to straighten out the paper while it goes. Yeah, nice. Okay, stop. Okay, now you're going to push this down to go reverse.
This one?
Yeah, so hold your paper with your other hand. Well, keep your thumbs out of the way. There you go, good. Okay, now go backwards. Right, look at that. Okay, stop. Good, look at those beautiful straight lines. I'm so proud of you guys.
Yay!
All right, that's it.
So, like this?
Uh-huh. Very good.
I can do this. I think it's a little too close. And then reverse?
No. Keep going. Don't let it bunch up. Okay, stop. There you go. Now you can reverse it.
Reverse?
Watch your fingers. Stop. Good. Okay, do another row. You're going to start there, or are you going to start at the top?
The top.
There you go. Okay. Yeah. Straighten it out when it's up, okay? And then bring it down. And as you bring it down, you can straighten it up. See how you can do that? There you go. Watch your fingers. Your thumbs are too close. Very good. Okay, stop. Move your hands. There you go, now. Stop. See how it's starting to bunch up?
Mm-hmm.
Move your hands. There you go. No, no, no. It just means lift them up. Okay. There you go. Go. Excellent. Stop. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. Alright, stop. Reverse. Be careful of your hand. Stop. Perfect. Stop. Okay. How do you get the needle up?
It's already up.
Well, see if you can get it a little higher. No? How do you get the needle up? That's going down. There you go. Now you've got it all the way up. Good. Now you can take your paper out. Perfect.
Yay!
All right, Kimberly.
Bye-bye. See you next week. Next week, we're going to learn how to cut out a pattern. Bye.